How to fix Messenger low volume on iOS. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up your App Store. In the search bar, simply search for Messenger app. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it. And if you see an update button, you can simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Updating Messenger ensures you have the latest bugs fixes which can fix volume issues. Now after that, head back to your home screen and open up Settings. Inside Settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, and just like that, search for Messenger application, then tap onto it. Now tap on Upload app, then tap on Upload app again. This will clear your cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that may be causing low volume or glitches. After you offload the application, make sure you reinstall it. Now, you can simply restart your device. Turn off your phone and turn it back again. Open Messenger application and check if the volume is fixed or not. A restart can fix temporary software glitches after affecting sound. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.